this is how I make my candied carrots. I take a can of carrots I have already cut open and I have drained. And you will also need some brown sugar, and then you will also need a microwave safe bowl and a stirring spoon. Also some butter. I use real butter. I don't use margarine. It's just overall better for you. So dump your carrots in your bowl, and then take about 3 teaspoons of brown sugar and put them in your bowl. And then you will also want to take some butter. So let me get these put in here, and then we'll get the butter. So we got the butter, and I am trying to get this butter out one-handed. So just, if you'll bear with me, we'll get it out and we'll get it put in the bowl. So we need about a tablespoon of butter, depending on how much butter that you like to put in your vegetables. You can do 1 to 2 tablespoons. It is totally up to you. So just go ahead and stick it right on top of the brown sugar and the carrots. And once that is in there, my husband has actually installed some magnets in underneath my microwave, so that way I'm able to hold my spoons there while my things cook. So we're going to set the microwave at 2 minutes, and after the 2 minutes is over, we're going to take, and the butter should be melted, the carrot should be hot, and the sugar should be melted as well. Go ahead and give it a good stir, and just mix everything up there, and then that is how you make candied carrots in under 5 minutes. 2 minutes in the microwave, you got 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 to 2 tablespoons of butter, or whatever it is you're liking, and there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.